Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about models of evolution and learning. This is the continuation of genetic algorithm and genetic programming in the unit 2 of machine learning techniques. Myself is Nagarajan, Associate Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. In many neural systems, the individual organisms learn to adapt significantly during their lifetime. At the same time, biological and social processes allows their species to adapt over a time frame of many generations. Here, we are going to discuss two concepts. One is Lamarckian evolution, second one Baldwin effect. First, we will discuss about Lamarckian evolution. So, Lamarckian was a scientist who, in the uh, late 19th century, proposed that evolution over many generations was influenced by the experiences of individual organisms during their lifetime. In particular, he proposed that experiences of a single organism directly affected the genetic makeup of their offspring. Offspring means child. For example, initially this giraffe was a size of deer or horse, and then because of shortage of food, maybe because of shortage of grasses, they started to stretching their necks to reach the lower branches of the tree, right? So there was a continuous effort to stretch the neck for generations, and thus they developed the longer necks. The characteristics that are developed in lifetime are called acquired characteristics. So this Lamarck said acquired characteristics can be passed down to next generation. So according to the Lamarck's proposed theory of inheritance of acquired characteristics, which says if an organism changes during life in order to adapt the environment, those changes are passed on to its offspring. For another example, if an individual learned during its lifetime to avoid some toxic foods, it could pass this trait or characteristics on genetically to its offspring, which therefore would not need to learn the characteristics. Despite of the attractiveness of this theory, current scientific evidences mostly contradicts this Lamarckian's models. The currently accepted view is that the genetic makeup of an individual is in fact unaffected by the lifetime experiences of one's biological parents. For example, a scientist named August Weismann did something interesting which is proved Lamarck's wrong. What did he do? He surgically removed the tails. See in this diagram, he surgically removed the tails of rats for many generations. They all lived without tail. Obviously, they must have not accustomed to live without tails, but after a generation, to be precisely say 22 generations living without tails. Surprisingly, the new thing is all new mice when we do the uh, cross operation of this tailless mouse. Surprisingly, the new mice were born with tail. This means such bodily changes are not inheritable, so these characteristics won't be passed to the offsprings. Right? So this genetic does not affect the new born offsprings. Right? So this is the idea of Lamarckian evolution. So as the continuation of Lamarckian idea, we will discuss about Baldwin effect. So the Lamarckian evolution is not an acceptable model of biological evolution. The other mechanisms have been suggested by which individual learning can alter the course of evolution. So what Lamarckian said, the offspring's generation is based on their parents' gene only. But most of the scientists did not accept this concept. So they are telling different concept. So one such mechanism is called Baldwin effect after J.M. Baldwin in 1986 who first suggests this idea. As per his idea, interaction of evolution with learning by individual animals over their lifetime. So as per his suggestion, species in the changing environment underlies evolutionary pressure that favors individuals with the ability to learn. Such individuals perform a small local search to maximize their fitness. Additionally, such individuals rely less on genetic code. Thus, they support a more diverse gene pool, relying on individual learning to overcome missing or not quite well characteristics. This indirect influence of evolutionary adaptation for the entire population. We know already what is meant by population. So assume individual learning has no direct influence on individual DNA, but ability to learn reduces the need to hardwire characteristics in the DNA. So more divergence gene pool will support faster evolution of gene pool. Hence, individual learning that is indirectly increase the rate of evolution. For example, imagine some new changes in the environment of some spices such a new predictor. That change will selectively favor individuals capable of learning to avoid the predictor. The population of such self-improving individuals and the population grows, the population able to support a more diverse gene pool allowing evolutionary process. Even non-Lamar can generate and test process to adapt more rapidly. This accelerated adaptation may in turn enable standard evolutionary process to more quickly evolve a genetic characteristics to avoid the predictor. So, the Baldwin effect provides an indirect mechanism compared to Lamarckian for individual learning to positively impact the rate of evolutionary progress. Right? So this is a comparison of Lamarckian and Baldwin effect. So by increasing the survivability and the genetic diversity of the species, individual learning supports more rapid evolutionary progress. So, increasing the chances that species may evolve genetic that non-learned characteristics are better fit the new environment. So, up to this, we completed unit 2 of machine learning techniques. Thank you.